Okay, this is the perforated 5-quart colander I just got today, and I'm replacing, this is the replacement for this one that I've had for many years. Pretty traditional looking colander, but handle had come off on this side, and we had repaired it several times, but I've just given up on it. But I kind of went back and forth about getting this kind of colander again versus the one with the perforated side. So I wanted to show you the difference in the two. So this is the traditional colander, and you can see there's running water over it, that it actually collects water, and it takes it a while. See, it still has water in it even after I finish washing it, and it doesn't actually ever get rid of that last bit of water, versus this colander with the perforated. I don't know if you can see this, there is no water pooling in here at all. In fact, when I drain it, there is nothing at all. So, in my opinion, this is a much superior colander. There's not going to be any like noodles coming through here or anything like that, because how fine these holes are. The construction on this one, it's a little lighter than my old one. The handles are a bit thinner, but my last one lasted like 7 or 8 years, and I expect this one will probably do the same. So anyway, love this colander, works great.